GEOSS and Eye on Earth, resources for now and for the future. From global to local, information is essential for deciding what crops to plant, responding to natural disasters, or even making plans for a hiking trip. Forest fires are observed from space, and ground-based professional observers provide local alerts. A new form of alert comes from citizen observers who tweet or telephone news and warnings. Forest fires occur every year, causing significant damage to land, to homes, and to our economic welfare. In many cases, fire is a recognised land management tool, but climate change is leading to more frequent and more severe wildfire events around the globe. Global information about the environment is gathered by the Global Earth Observation System of Systems, or GEOSS, developed by a voluntary partnership of 88 countries and the European Commission. This information is useful to many people in their daily activities and must be made accessible through multiple channels. One channel is the European Environment Agency, which provides information on air quality, water conditions, and is developing capabilities to monitor wildlife habitats and forest conditions. Portugal's Peneda Gerês National Park is supported as a use case to extend the agency's Eye on Earth information services.
We have been informed that there is a forest fire in the Peneda Gerês National Park. The information that the fire teams need is the vegetation land cover, high-risk areas, and weather data to help prioritize the response. This same information may be useful to people in the area, and Eye on Earth provides an easy way to access them. For a risk assessment, we use the European Forest Fire Information System, or EFIS, provided by the Joint Research Centre, or JRC.
The Joint Research Centre is the in-house science service of the European Commission. The EFIS was created because concerns about forest fires are increasing. In the EU Mediterranean countries, about 500,000 hectares of land burn every year.
We look at similar ecological conditions.
At the JRC, Grégoire Dubois and his colleague, Andrea Camilla, discussed the fires in Portugal and other threatened areas in the vicinity. Using the e-habitat model developed by Grégoire and his team, they assess the ecological loss due to the fires and identify other protected ecosystems that are at immediate risk.
So we are going to use the EuroGEOSS broker to look at various types of environmental maps like forest cover, elevation, percentage of trees, to identify those regions that are going to burn and have an impact on biodiversity.
The broker can distribute our requests across thousands of data catalogs, models and information services across the world. Having this data, we could use the European Forest Fire Information System and eHabitat to model and predict environmental conditions.
Back at the European Environment Agency, the Eye on Earth team has built real-time models incorporating data from the JRC on-the-ground observers and meteorological sources. The continual evolution of internet technologies has ushered in a new era of environmental awareness, creating a virtual observation post wherever there is a person with a smartphone, increasing the value and effectiveness of first-hand information and creating channels for delivering that information to the managers, crews and individuals who need it most. GEOSS. Together, we're keeping an eye on Earth.